very much. When Steph was briefing me yesterday, he reminded me gently that the best welcome speeches last for 1 minute. So I'll try to keep this as brief as possible. On behalf of the University of Glasgow, I'm really delighted to welcome you to Scotland's Sunshine Coast here on the west side of the country. It was genuinely sunny and has been for the last 6 weeks in Scotland, but I'm afraid your arrival has heralded the return of normal weather patterns. I also understand, as Maria, I think, has already indicated, that this is the best attended Universeum conference since the network was first established back in 2000, with over 150 delegates here, which is really, really fantastic. We're honoured that you've chosen to hold the conference here in Glasgow, and we hope that you have a really enjoyable and rewarding experience. Now, as I'm sure Murray will make clear later, academic heritage really is stitched into the fabric of this university. The Hunterian Museum and Art Gallery is an integral part of our university community and something of which we're all really very proud. It also plays a vital part in our academic life, spanning a wide array of research and teaching activities at all levels. So we look forward to sharing some of our experiences over the next couple of days and also to learning from all of you. Now also, as I'm sure you know, here in the UK, by far the biggest political event, the thing that dominates the airwaves at the moment and affects all of us, is the UK's withdrawal from the European Union. It's an issue many of us feel strongly about, not least because so many of our staff, so many of our students and also our research funding comes from the EU. Glasgow is essentially a European university, and it has been since it was first established back in the 1450s by papal bull. So if there's one message we'd like to convey to you over the next couple of days, it's that Brexit doesn't mean that we're leaving Europe. And on the contrary, networks like this will be all the more important to us in the future. So please don't stop working with us after March the 29th, 2019. We hugely value your experience and expertise and the expertise that this network gives us access to. And we will continue to be enthusiastic collaborators in the years ahead. So whichever part of the continent you're from, and I understand there are people here also from other parts of the world, I wish you a fantastic conference. You're all very welcome here in Glasgow, and if this is your first time in the city, we hope it's going to be the beginning of a beautiful relationship. Thank you very much.